right, same thing, one target. Move it to the right. Fire. So one of the problems is your mags are backwards. When you grabbed it, it was backwards. If you reach down now and come straight up, it faces the right way. Yep. Recover. It's running, just keep it running. Just, you know, pan itself. All right, coming to the left one more time on a single target. Fire. Move, move, move. Good, that's it. 2 steps. You can't keep moving. The other guy stopped. Or the other guys keep moving. Just 2.5 steps. Go.
That was smooth. That was proper.
Right.
You did not miss.
You can engage 2 targets. Make sure you make the first one and the second. Alright, make hands on both. Go to the right. Fire. Move. Cover your target. Don't be in a rush to drop the gun down to the ready. Recover. Gunfights take handgun. Stop. Going left. Okay. Multiple targets. Fire. So I'm gonna go on station. You fired the first round. See if you hit the target. So that you move the gun out of the way before you fire the second one. Okay. No, okay, because that's what I saw. I want to make sure I saw that. Like you went, did I hit it? Oh, I heard it. Yeah, don't look. Go. Going to the right. Fire. Come up. All right, the line is clear. Just close the window. Shut up. Slack, guys, like that. You just pan the whole group. Watch your feet. Just. Alrighty, so when the target moves, you can basically that's the command. So when you see that move, that's when you need to draw your gun, get out of the way. You ready? Cover. Going left. Recover. Recover.
I got you, good. It sucks. You almost, your short's almost protected.
Yeah. All right, next bunch of shooters. Okay, do me a favor, film this for a few minutes.
Absolutely.
All right, on the dirt. Back it up. On the dirt. So we're gonna gauge one metal plate and one move. So work. You and you definitely stay on the pink one.
Okay.
Because it'll most likely be in front of it, and you on the green.
The green?
Yeah, because that should work. It won't be exactly in front of you, but it doesn't need to be.
Right.
But it's close enough. All right, we're gonna go to the right. On the signal, when you see the target move, draw, move your body, get your gun on target, make a hit on the signal. On the signal. Recover.
Tap rack. Tap rack.
Now, it's really important. Everybody did good that time. The target's stop shooting. That's the signal that you're done. Recover. All right, same thing. Going to the left. Recover. On the signal, moving right.
The moving target's still moving?
Going to the left. Recover. One more time, going to the right. Recover.
Now, when the gun is empty, the reason that the slide locks open is so that you can put a magazine in the gun, close the slide, and
Close the door.
so reloads. By design, when a magazine is empty, the follower, which is the black or orange piece, in this case it's yellow, the follower puts pressure on the slide stop lever on the inside part of the frame. That's done purposely, so that when the gun is empty, the slide locks open. You want the slide open when the gun is empty, because that makes it easier to load the gun. Alright? Empty magazines in a gunfight are garbage. They go to the floor. So, when I press the magazine goes to the floor. That's what should happen. If that's not happening for your gun, then we need to sort that out, okay? But it's very important that the magazine release just drops the magazine. Okay? So, the other thing is, what I do in front of my face. It's another instructor that we used to work with calls the window of combat. Everything happens in my window of combat. So, when I recognize that the gun is empty, I always get a new sight picture. Okay? Always get a new sight picture after I reload the gun. Even if I'm empty at the end of the drill, a new sight picture. Because I want to ingrain a habit of every time I reload my gun, I come to this place right after the reload is over. Now, speed is the economy of motion. You don't have to do this quickly. You just have to do it efficiently. When I recognize the gun is empty, my hand comes off the gun. I'm going to reach for this magazine while this magazine is being ejected. I don't need this hand. Okay? I don't need this hand to grab the magazine out of the gun. So, recognize gun is back on target. Alright?
Talk about the various ways to close the slide.
So, good point, Paul, thank you. A couple different ways to close the slide, alright? So, I like to use the slide stop lever because as I'm going back to the target, I just insert the magazine, sweep the slide stop lever, and I'm back on target. Maybe you can't reach the slide stop lever. Maybe you can actually reach it with your strong hand. If you can, do that. If you can do it 95% of the time and it works, do that. You could also just slingshot the slide. So, gun is empty, mag comes out, I can grab the slide, slingshot it, and get a new sight picture. So, that's up to you how you do it. You also could grab, new mag in the gun, turn the gun this way, right? If that's more comfortable for you, do it that way. Whatever way works for you is the way you should do it, but the bottom line is, empty magazine goes to the ground. Get in the gun, close the slide, however you're going to do it, and get back on target. Always go back to the target with the loaded gun. All right, and never, once the gun is empty, okay, never close the slide and then put a mag in the gun, because now you have to work the slide. The slide is open. So that's all you have to do is put a loaded mag in the gun, close the slide, and you're good to go. Any questions?